guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and I have a really awesome recipe for you today. It is perfect for football playoffs and Super Bowl. You know that is my specialty. I love cooking game day food, and today we have a good one for you. It is super easy. The ingredients you probably already have in your house, and we are going to make Coca Cola Chicken Wings. So for those who don't know, my last name is Gola, and when I was little, some people used to make fun of me and say, Coca Cola, Coca Cola. So long story short, I don't know if this recipe has a special place in my heart or one of like trauma, but either way, I love that this recipe comes together the way that it does. It creates such a sticky sauce, and so whatever my childhood has from Coca-Cola, we're going with it anyway today. So I have some nice wings here. We're gonna get them in here, and then we're gonna do a few simple ingredients in the bowl, and then add it right to our crock pot. We have about a cup of brown sugar here that we're gonna just dump in, and then I have a garlic powder and an onion powder. I have about a half of a teaspoon each, but you know, you can eye it a little bit and adjust it to what you like. And then I have half of a cup of a soy sauce. We're gonna just mix that all together and then toss our wings in it before we put them in our crock pot. This recipe can also be made in the oven. The only thing is that the way that this sauce works is that it does need to be low and slow. So if you do it in the oven, it's gonna take a bit of time. So just go into it knowing that you know, that it's not something that you can make super quick. After you got your chicken mixed up pretty well, you're gonna go ahead and just put it in your crock pot. There's only one other ingredient that we're gonna add, that Coca-Cola right over top. It's just a little easier to add once it's in the crock pot. It makes a little bit less of a mess. So if you do happen to add the Coke in before, it's not really a problem. Just might be a little messy going in the crock. We want all of that yummy brown sugar in, and now time for our Coke. Last ingredient in this recipe is 12 ounces of Coca-Cola. You're gonna just go ahead and pour it over top of your wings. Let it sizzle, let it go in. And that's it. So once you have all of your ingredients in the crock pot, you're gonna set it to low and cook it for about 7 to 8 hours. It should take about all day because you want your sauce to get nice and sticky and really stick to the outside of the chicken, but also obviously your chicken has to cook all the way through. So once again, it's going on low and we're doing about 7 to 8 hours. And after that time in the crock pot, you have yourself delicious, sticky Coca-Cola, or should we say Coca-Cola wings. They are absolutely perfect for game day. They're gonna be great at either your party or your Super Bowl party. Sometimes I like to throw a little chives over them, but you don't even have to do that. These have so much flavor. They're so yummy. They're super sticky and delicious. And if you are a wing fan, will be one that will not disappoint. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.